Hey guys, today for PE you are going to do something called an Emom. Emom stands for every minute on the minute. So after every minute you're going to complete a series of exercises. You have 1 minute to get them done. I'm going to keep it kind of simple for you since you're just beginning this. Okay, the first exercise is jumping jacks. You all know how to do jumping jacks, but if you don't, you start with your feet and your hands together. You jump, put your hands out, and bring them back. You're going to do 20 jumping jacks to start. Once you finish your 20 jumping jacks, you're then going to go into squats, okay? And you're just going to do body weight squats. You don't need any weights. If you want to add weights as something extra, that's up to you, okay? So I'm going to stand sideways. When you're doing squats, you want your feet to be about shoulder width apart, okay? You're going to bring your hips down so your bottom is parallel with your knees, and then you're coming back up. That's 1, 2, and you're going to do a total of 10 squats. And the last exercise you're going to do for the Emom is 20 high knees, or 10 each leg. And when you do high knees, you want to try to bring your knees up as high as you can. So you're going to be on the balls of your feet so your heels are off the floor, and you're going to do your 20 high knees, 10 each leg. Okay? If you finish before the minute is up, then you get the remainder time to rest. After every minute, you have 15 seconds of rest. You have a total of 3 minutes to do. When you finish that, I'm going to have you fill out a Google form. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Thanks so much.